Hey guys, how are you all? Hope you are doing good. Today I am going to show you the rice idli recipe with combination of tomato chutney. This combination of rice idlis and tomato chutney is a match made in heaven. And the soft and fluffy idlis pair perfectly with the spicy and tangy tomato chutney recipe. So first I will show you how to prepare the idli batter preparation and then later we will go to the chutney preparation recipe. And for the batter preparation, first take around 3 cups of normal rice and 2 cups of idli rice. Take a water and wash it nicely for around 5 to 6 times, like how I am showing in the similar way. Wash it nicely. Strain the water and now add the fresh water into it. Let it soak for around 8 to 9 hours. Now in another bowl, take 1 cup of urd dal and 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. Wash it nicely. Wash it for around 3 to 4 times. Strain the water and add the fresh water into it and let it soak for 4 to 5 hours. Now we have to make into a fine batter. First add the urd dal. Let it grind nicely. I am adding here the cooked rice of 1 cup. By adding the rice, you will get a very fluffy and soft idli. And add rice. Add little bit of water. Now the batter is ready. Transfer the batter into a bowl. And we have to ferment it for around 8 hours. Now it is well fermented. Mix it gently. Now add water and add around 1 tablespoon of salt and half tablespoon of cooking soda. We'll call it as idli soda. Let it dissolve in water and then mix it nicely into the batter. And the consistency should be flowing consistency. Now grease the oil into the idli plates. Now fill the molds with batter and let it steam for around 15 to 20 minutes. So after 15 to 20 minutes, the soft and fluffy idli is ready to taste. Now we have to prepare the chutney for this. Keep ready all the ingredients before cooking. Now take a pan and add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil gets heated, now add around 1 tablespoon of yellow gram and 1 tablespoon of urd dal. Everything is supposed to be happen in medium flame. Don't put in high flame. Now saute for 1 minute. Now add 1 tablespoon of jeera. Now add the green chilies, 2 red chilies, add around 10 to 12 strands of garlic, add around 5 to 6 chopped tomatoes. Mix it well nicely. Now add mint leaves. And 1 handful of cilantro. 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix it well all together. Add around half tablespoon of hinge and soaked tamarind into it. Mix it all together. And we have to cook this for around 5 to 6 minutes in low flame. Close the lid and let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes. After 5 to 6 minutes, once the tomatoes get mushy, now let it cool down for some time. And this chutney tastes very nice. It will be very good for rice, idli, chapati and dosa. Once it's cooled down, transfer into a blender and blend it into a fine paste. Now transfer into a bowl and spice it up with curry leaves and mustard seeds. Mix it well nicely. And that's it. The chutney recipe is ready to taste. This will be very good for rice, idli and chapati, dosa. I am trying it out for idli as of now. You also try it out and let me know how it came to you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you all. Bye bye all.